To recognize the dedicated efforts of our loyal parents, we will call on Mrs. Maria Luisa Ardriana, Secondary School Teacher 6.
Distinguished guest speaker, Mrs. Rowena R. Globio, to our respected school principal, Mr. Ruel S. Laririt, Landi National High School Unity and Heritage Alumni Network Association Incorporated officials, PTA officials headed by the President, Mrs. Benelin C. Alba, Landi Barangay officials headed by Honorable Armando Pedregal, dear parents, teaching and non-teaching staff of Landi National High School, dear students, good morning. Good morning po. We, the staff of Landi National High School, are very proud and thankful to the parents who untiringly supported their children while spending their high school life in Landi National High School. Thank you so much for entrusting all your children to Landi National High School. We know that without you, parents, and your children, there will be no Landi National High School. So at this point, may I present to you the following loyal parents. Sila po yung mga nagpaaral ng anak dito sa Landi National High School simula grade 7 hanggang grade 12. Lahat po ng kanilang mga anak. So malugod ko po kayong inaanyayahang umakyat dito sa stage as I call your name. Loyal parents, Mr. and Mrs. Romel Peregrine. Maaari po silang samahan ng kanilang mga anak para sila po ang magsabit ng medal. Mr. and Mrs. Romel Peregrine, Mr. and Mrs. Wilfredo Ritardo, Mr. and Mrs. Joel De Luna, wala po baga, Mrs. Enriqueta L. Paralejas, Mr. and Mrs. Alan Gregorio, Mrs. Geraldine De Guzman, kung wala po yung mga magulang, pakiakyat po yung anak dito sa stage para makuha po yung medal. Mr. and Mrs. Rani Peñarroyo, Mr. and Mrs. Sosimori Camata, Mrs. Babylita Z. Plata, Mr. and Mrs. Gregorio Reginio, Mr. and Mrs. Luisito G. Ampelocchio, Mr. and Mrs. Joseph P. Rivadiniera, Mr. and Mrs. Felimon C. Reginio, Apolinario and Susana Privado. Mr. and Mrs. Bernard L. Rolloque. Mrs. Maria Elena R. Feñaflor. Miss Lizelle P. Revillosa. Mr. and Mrs. Jose Jaime A. Pelaez. Mrs. Imelda R. Basig. Yan si Ate Imelda, loyal parent. Mr. and Mrs. Amado P. Perilla. Mr. and Mrs. Joselito P. Cabrera. Mr. Jano E. Veroya. Mr. and Mrs. Elegio Monterrey. Mr. and Mrs. Cardito Pamplina. Mrs. Mirna Retardo. Mr. and Mrs. Ruben Mugol. Miss Jennifer Sinsowa. Mr. and Mrs. Rodelio R. Altamarino. Mr. and Mrs. Rickson G. Peregrin. Andiyan po ba ga? Mr. and Mrs. Harold P. Vargas. Mr. and Mrs. John P. Peñarroyo. Engineer and Mrs. Roberto Zirico Hermoso. Mrs. Victoria L. Fevidal. Miss Rosalinda Ricamata. Mrs. Erlinda Plata. Mr. and Mrs. David P. Pardilla. Mr. and Mrs. Bernadette E. Retardo. Mr. and Mrs. Abner R. Rabe. Mr. and Mrs. Paterno F. Rodelas. Mr. Lowry L. Regio. Miss Marivic Baldoza. Miss Emerita Rogelio. Mr. and Mrs. Elisa B. Ray. So sila po yung ating loyal parents. This is school year 2025-2026. Maraming salamat po.